Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are making a quick and easy and refreshing summer recipe. This one is a mango avocado salad, and it may be one of the main salads I've made so far since I don't like salads and I find it very annoying sometimes, but this one is super easy to make, super flavorful, and it's a great balance of creamy, sweet, acidic or sour, and savory. Super easy to make. It comes together in a maximum of 10 minutes. So let's show you guys how to make it. For this mango avocado salad, you need 1 mango, 1 avocado, a handful of cherry tomatoes that we've just halved, the juice of half a lemon, a few almonds that we've chopped up, a teaspoon of brown sugar, a little bit of chili flakes, 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and of course salt and pepper. It's super easy to make. In a bowl you're just going to mix all your ingredients. So we got the mango, avocado, cherry tomatoes, the lemon juice to prevent the browning, the almonds, brown sugar, the olive oil, and lastly the salt and pepper. So here I use the pink Himalayan salt because it's my favorite, and of course lastly the black pepper. So now we just mix it. Once we've mixed all of this, we're just going to sprinkle the chili flakes on top. And we're just going to serve it. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's nice and vibrant in terms of colors, and it really, I don't know, it smells amazing. I get that smell of mangoes for some reason. I can smell them right from here, and I can't wait to try it. In terms of flavors, it's actually one of the best salads I've had, because I'm not really a huge salad fan because I don't like all the leafy stuff, so spinach and all of that. Sometimes I find it too much in a salad, but this one is perfect because you have a great balance of flavor. So you have the sweetness from mangoes, you have the acidity of the lemon juice, you have that creaminess from the avocados. So it all works really great for a great salty, savory and sweet dish. Actually amazing. Highly recommend trying it, especially in summer, because number one, it's very hot, so a lot of us tend to lose appetite. At least personally, I cannot eating heavy food during the summer. And number two, seasonal fruit. You need to make use of it as much as possible because you won't really find mangoes around during winter and all of that. So it's a great way to make use of all the seasonal ingredients available in summer. So highly recommend trying it because it doesn't take that long. It took us 10 minutes at most, prep and assembling, so highly recommend trying. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me so you guys can support me to make further content. I'm available on Instagram, Facebook, Discord, and TikTok, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!